is where Shadow is. Are we ready to face whatever Cinder? Ponytail, aren't the sisters supposed to be watching you?
I'm the sister to play a game of hide and seek.
Why did you follow us, Ponytail?
I want to see the person who left my family.
Well, you've attracted quite the crowd. Wasabi, take Ponytail with you, Endo. Me and Pony will hold him off. Stay close to me, Ponytail. I'll keep you safe. Zizzy, if we don't make it out of this, I just want to let you know. It's okay, Pony. I already know.
I've become a disaster! I tried to make things better, but I can't make it get worse!
Shadow, we've come to stop your evil plans.
It can't be! You two aren't real! My mind is playing tricks on me! The people who went down here are here to hurt me!
What's he talking about?
You two are dead! Where's BD?
We need to go after him!
No. Sonic, you have to 11? Yes, I made it 11. Okay, and the signal.
The Tails Boy knows what's got. I need to put this emerald back. Bling. And just like that, the Master Emerald is back to where it was in the first place before Shadow got it. Oh, please known. I may be fast. I'm with tails and knuckles, and I beat Shadow too. But as long as I'm fast, nobody can take my speed. Now to Shadow. Who are you?
My name is Amy Rose. I need you to come with me.